Hey there, congratulations on completing your exams and taking a big step towards your future. Now that you've cleared this hurdle, it's time to set your sights on the next challenge, preparing for NEET and IIT. Are you ready to unlock your potential and soar higher than ever before? We've got just what you need to conquer these competitive exams with confidence. Our comprehensive NEET and IIT preparation program is tailored to meet the unique requirements of newly passed students like you. Engaging study materials that simplify complex concepts. Expert faculty members who are passionate about teaching and guiding you every step of the way. And a supportive learning environment that encourages growth and fosters success. With our program, you'll gain a solid foundation in all the key subjects, physics, chemistry, and biology for NEET, and physics, chemistry, and mathematics for IIT. Our curriculum is designed to help you grasp the fundamentals and build a strong knowledge base, ensuring you're well prepared for the exams. But it's not just about textbooks and lectures. We believe in holistic development, which is why we offer regular practice tests and mock exams to assess your progress and identify areas that need improvement. We'll provide you with detailed feedback and personalized guidance to help you fine-tune your approach and maximize your scores. Oh, and did we mention the study materials and resources? We've curated a treasure trove of resources, including solved question papers, revision notes, and online video tutorials, all at your fingertips. You'll have everything you need to reinforce your understanding and boost your confidence. We understand that preparation can sometimes feel overwhelming, but don't worry. Our experienced mentors and faculty members are here to provide mentorship and support whenever you need it. We are committed to your success and will go above and beyond to help you achieve your goals. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey towards a bright future? Join our NEET and IIT preparation program today and let's unlock your potential together. Get ready to shine and make your dreams a reality. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you're doing well and making your life much more awesome. If you like this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel.